For 10 years, we have never stopped. And we have been moving forward. No limit, no fear, dare to challenge. We start with a vision for the future and grow stronger day by day. In an uncertain future, we define our world. We only focus on one thing, which is to empower mobile phone shop owners around the world. The distance from 0 to 1, we don't know how far. But we firmly believe that there are no shortcuts. 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Every step we take brings the power to change. For the first time, we received affirmation from our customers. For the first time, we felt the embrace of the team. For the first time, we challenged the unknown. We have cheered for many firsts and worked hard to turn the first into countless times. Along the way, our forward team has been continuously injected with new blood and vitality, and condensed into a stronger force. We continue to pursue higher goals, constantly surpass ourselves at every stage, and continue to move towards a new starting point for a new future. The progress is endless. We are always on the way. Keeping up with the trend, we follow the changes of the internet, and have achieved zero-distance communication with more than 30,000 users and listened to their demands. Empower the global technology shopkeepers to achieve higher benefits. Continuous innovation in technology is our expectation for a better future, our ultimate pursuit of perfection, and our unswerving belief along the way. Tomorrow will be better, and today's effort counts. We are ready to work hard and go to the next more exciting decade together. Forward with you to welcome the bright future.